Imagine falling into Jupiter, an endless swirling cloudscape. Colors blend, a masterpiece of cosmic art. But beauty hides danger. Winds rage at unimaginable speeds. Lightning storms crackle brighter than suns. The air grows thick, heavy. It's not air we breathe, hydrogen, helium, a poisonous cocktail. Deeper we plunge into the maw of a monster. Pressure builds, crushing, suffocating. The faint sunlight above fades, darkness envelops us. Yet, this is no end. It's the beginning of a journey to Jupiter's heart, a journey into the impossible. Jupiter is a giant, a king among planets. Its immense size dwarfs every other planet in our solar system, making it a true colossus in the cosmic neighborhood. If you could line up over 1,300 Earths, they would just about fill Jupiter's vast volume. Its swirling bands and iconic Great Red Spot are only the beginning of its mysteries. Beneath those mesmerizing clouds lies a world of complexity. Jupiter's layers are a testament to its incredible mass and the forces at work within. Each layer tells a story of pressure, temperature, and transformation, revealing secrets that have fascinated astronomers for centuries. We begin our descent through the upper atmosphere, where the clouds form a kaleidoscope of colors, whites, browns, reds, and yellows, created by ammonia crystals and other exotic chemicals. These clouds are whipped into ever-changing patterns by powerful winds, some reaching speeds of over 600 kilometers per hour. But as we travel deeper, the familiar gives way to the unknown. The air thickens, becoming denser with every kilometer. Eventually, the gas transitions into a strange, hot liquid. Here, the distinction between atmosphere and ocean blurs, and we find ourselves surrounded by a vast alien sea. This is an ocean of hydrogen, stretching for thousands of kilometers. Unlike any ocean on Earth, it is made not of water but of liquid hydrogen, swirling and churning under unimaginable pressure and heat. It is a realm where sunlight never reaches, and the rules of physics begin to shift. As we plunge deeper, the pressure mounts, now 1,000,000 times greater than what we experience on Earth's surface. The hydrogen, squeezed by this immense force, undergoes a remarkable transformation. It becomes metallic, a state of matter rarely found in the universe. This metallic hydrogen is both strange and beautiful, shimmering in the darkness. This extraordinary substance is a powerful conductor of electricity. Scientists believe it is responsible for Jupiter's immense magnetic field, the strongest of any planet in our solar system. Here, deep within the planet, rivers of liquid metal flow, generating invisible forces that reach far into space. All around us, the sea of liquid metal moves in slow, mesmerizing currents. It is a place of extremes, of pressure, temperature, and mystery, unlike anything we can experience on Earth. The deeper we go, the more alien and wondrous Jupiter becomes. At the very center lies Jupiter's secret heart, a core shrouded in darkness and mystery. No probe has ever seen it, and its true nature remains one of the greatest enigmas in planetary science. Here, at the heart of the giant, the story of Jupiter continues, waiting to be discovered. Here, in the metallic hydrogen layer, conditions defy comprehension. The pressure is unimaginable, billions of times Earth's. Temperatures soar, hotter than the surface of the sun. Gravity, a relentless force, pulls us down. No spacecraft could survive this inferno. Yet, could life? Life, as we know it, cannot exist here. Carbon-based molecules, the building blocks of our world, would shatter. Water, the elixir of life, would be a distant memory. But what if life is different here? What if life found a way to thrive in this hell? Our understanding of life is limited. We've only seen life on Earth, carbon-based, water-dependent. But the universe is vast. It holds endless possibilities. On Jupiter, life, if it exists, must be different. It might not need carbon or water. Perhaps life here is silicon-based. Silicon, like carbon, can form complex molecules. Perhaps it thrives on energy, not food. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. Jupiter challenges us to think beyond our limited experience, to imagine life as we don't know it. Let us imagine, for a moment, a world far beyond our own. A place where the rules of life, as we know them, are rewritten by the crushing weight and swirling chaos of a gas giant. Let us dream of life in Jupiter's core, where sunlight never reaches, and the only illumination comes from the planet's own restless energy. Here, in the heart of Jupiter, the unimaginable becomes possible. Imagine creatures that defy our expectations, beings that have evolved in total darkness, thriving in conditions that would crush or dissolve anything from Earth. Their forms are strange, their senses attuned to forces we can barely comprehend. Among them, the magnetovores, long, sinuous entities, their bodies shimmering with electric light as they swim through the dense metallic hydrogen. They are drawn to the invisible lines of Jupiter's magnetic field, gliding effortlessly through currents of energy. These magnetovores feed not on flesh, but on the very power of the planet itself. Their bodies glow with stolen energy, pulsing with the rhythm of Jupiter's storms. They are living batteries, storing and releasing energy in dazzling displays of light. Then there are the core swimmers, sleek, agile beings, perfectly adapted to navigate the ever-shifting rivers of liquid metal. Their bodies are streamlined, their movements swift and precise, darting through the currents with a grace that belies the chaos around them. Communication here is not through sight or sound as we know it, but through pressure waves, vibrations that ripple through the dense metallic sea. The songs of the core swimmers echo through the planet's heart, a haunting chorus that tells stories of survival and connection. And then, there are the architects. The architects are ancient, perhaps even intelligent. They reside in the deepest layers where the pressure is greatest and the environment is most extreme. Here, in the abyssal depths, they have carved out a domain unlike any other. These beings manipulate gravity itself, shaping the metallic hydrogen into vast, intricate structures, towers and bridges that defy imagination. Their creations are monuments to endurance and ingenuity, stretching across the core in patterns we can only guess at. All of this, of course, is speculation, glimpses of possibility whispered in the darkness. We may never know if such life truly exists, but the act of imagining it expands our sense of what is possible in the universe. These visions are a testament to the power of imagination, reminding us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders waiting to be discovered, if only we dare to dream. These creatures, if they exist, are not monsters. They are not random accidents. They are products of evolution, shaped by the unforgiving environment of Jupiter's core. They have adapted, thrived, and evolved over eons. They have purpose, drive, a will to survive. The magnetovores, harvesting energy. The core swimmers, navigating the depths. The architects, shaping their environment. Each plays a role in this alien ecosystem, an ecosystem unlike anything we've ever imagined. An ecosystem that challenges our understanding of life itself. We have tried to reach Jupiter, to pierce its veil of clouds, to unlock its secrets. The Galileo probe, a testament to our ambition, plunged into the atmosphere. It sent back data, precious glimpses into the unknown. But it was not enough. The pressure, the heat, just too much to endure. Modern missions are planned, more robust probes, designed to withstand the inferno. But even they will only scratch the surface. The true mysteries of Jupiter's core, the possibility of life, well, they remain elusive. For now, we can only imagine. Jupiter emits radio waves, powerful bursts of energy detectable from Earth, natural phenomena, scientists say. But what if they are not? What if these bursts are messages, signals from the deep, from the creatures that call Jupiter home? The magnetovores, their energy-feeding frenzy creating electromagnetic pulses. The core swimmers, their pressure wave songs reaching out into the void. The architects, their manipulations of gravity sending ripples through space-time. Could these be attempts at communication? Or are we simply imposing our own hopes onto the cosmos? Imagine for a moment that the radio bursts are messages. What do they say? What do they tell us about the creatures that sent them? And what do they think of us? Our probes crashing into their world, fleeting visitors from a distant alien world. Do they see us as a threat, a curiosity? Or are we simply beneath their notice, insignificant specks in the vastness of their world? The possibilities are, honestly, tantalizing and frustrating. We are left with more questions than answers. Jupiter's core remains a mystery. Despite decades of exploration and countless scientific missions, the heart of this gas giant is still shrouded in secrets. Our most advanced probes have only scratched the surface, leaving us with more questions than answers. What lies beneath those swirling clouds? Is it a solid core, or something entirely unexpected, something that defies our current understanding of planetary science? This enigma is more than just a scientific puzzle. It is a challenge to our understanding of the universe itself. Each unanswered question about Jupiter's core pushes the boundaries of what we know, reminding us that the cosmos is far more complex and wondrous than we can imagine. It humbles us, showing that even with all our technology, there are realms we have yet to comprehend. The mystery of Jupiter's core forces us to confront the possibility of life as we don't know it. If such strange and extreme environments exist within our own solar system, what might be possible elsewhere? Could there be forms of life that thrive in conditions utterly alien to us? Life that doesn't rely on water or even carbon, but something entirely different? We already know that life on Earth can survive in the most inhospitable places, at the bottom of the ocean, near boiling hydrothermal vents, or in the frozen deserts of Antarctica. Microorganisms flourish in acidic pools and radioactive waste, proving that life is far more adaptable than we once believed. These extremophiles hint at the possibility that life could exist in places we once thought impossible. Somewhere out there, life may be trying to contact us, even if we don't understand its language. Our radio telescopes scan the skies for signals, searching for patterns in the cosmic noise. Sometimes we detect mysterious bursts or signals that defy easy explanation. Are these the whispers of another intelligence, reaching out across the void? Or are they simply natural phenomena we have yet to decode? And perhaps that is the greatest lesson of all. The search for life beyond Earth is not just about finding new organisms, it's about expanding our perspective. It's about realizing how little we truly know and how much there is left to discover. The universe invites us to look up in wonder, to question, to dream, and to never stop seeking answers. Life, in all its forms, is precious. From the smallest microbe clinging to a rock in a desert, to the most complex creatures roaming the forests and oceans, every living thing is a testament to the resilience and creativity of nature. Each form of life, no matter how strange or familiar, adds to the rich tapestry of existence. As we venture further into the cosmos, we should approach the universe with humility and respect. Our search for life is not just a scientific endeavor, but a moral one. We must remember that we are newcomers to the vastness of space, and that every discovery carries with it a responsibility to protect and cherish what we find. For we may not be alone. The universe is vast, and the possibilities are endless. Somewhere, on a distant world, life may be looking back at us, wondering if it too is alone. The thought that we share this cosmos with other beings, no matter how different, reminds us of our place in the grand scheme of things. What we find out there may challenge our very definition of life itself. We may encounter organisms that defy our expectations, that force us to rethink what it means to be alive. Each discovery will reshape our understanding, pushing us to adapt and grow as a species. In the end, perhaps it is not life that needs to be discovered, but life that chooses not to be. The universe is full of secrets, and some may remain hidden, waiting for the right moment or the right eyes to be revealed.